Hey loves, bonjour, mabuhay, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to do a review video of an item that I have received. It's actually a gift from this French brand that's called Le Parmentier Paris. And I'll be talking about the Obolo handbag. So if you're interested to know what my thoughts are, just stay tuned. So just to let you know, I'm going to put this video in different chapters. So first and foremost, I'm going to talk about Le Parmentier Paris, just a few words about the brand itself. And then afterwards, I am going to give you the specs of the handbag. And then I'm going to give you my review after using the handbag for a couple of months now. And I'll give you my thoughts about it. So let's head on to the video. I'll start off by giving you a few words about the brand itself. So first and foremost, the brand's name is Le Parmentier. It's an epitome of a French-Italian luxury that was born in 2016. So by next year, they'll be celebrating their 10th year anniversary. The philosophy of the brand itself is that the consumers are now looking for so-called investment pieces, minimalist, that last forever items, and Le Parmentier Paris is the perfect example. And the person behind this brand is actually a Paris-based multi-awarded designer who was a creative director for 8 years of one of the most recognized iconic brands in the fashion world today. But currently, she won't reveal herself for obvious reasons. So Le Parmentier, like I've mentioned, Le Parmentier Paris was then born back in 2016 with the launch of the 3 models, the Agave, Thais, and the Yucca. Lastly, the brand currently carries 12 types of handbags that ranges from 195 euros to maximum 295 euros. So their maximum price tag is in the 300 euros region, so which I think is quite a reasonable price tag for this kind of craftsmanship. And the handbags does exist in different types of leathers as well as in different colors, and they also carries different scarves as well. So if you're interested, go check out their website. I'm also going to put the link down below. And just to let you know, if you order something from Le Parmentier, you can also use my discount code that will enable you to have a 10% discount. So now I'm going to give you the specs of the handbag, the Obolo bag, that the brand nicely gifted to me. So now I'm just going to give you the description and specs of the handbag itself. So first and foremost, I'm going to show you how the handbag looks like. So this is the Obolo bag, and I have it in the color black. Just to let you know that it does exist in different colors as well. So if you're interested, go check out the website. So the one that I have is in the black, and it currently retails for 295 euros. So I'm just going to show you how the bag looks like. So this is the front part, and then the side, the back, and then that's the bottom, and then that's how the handle looks like. And then it's actually a magnetic opening, as you can see, and then there's a zipper, and then there's a inside, I don't know if you'll be able to see, there's also a inside pocket that is also has a zipper, and it also comes with a detachable shoulder strap. So concerning the handbag itself, so this one was handcrafted from smooth Italian calf leather. The Obolo embodies timeless elegance with a modern silhouette designed to move seamlessly from day to night. From day to night, it means that I can wear this as a day bag, for example, with the shoulder strap, and then to nighttime like this, just with the shorter shoulder strap. It has a premium Italian calf leather. As you can see on the side and on the zipper, it has polished gold tone hardware with zip closure. Like I've mentioned, it has a top handle as well as a detachable shoulder strap. And this handbag was expertly handmade in Italy. And of course, whether for business, travel, or an evening out, the Obolo's sculptural form and refined details make it a statement of effortless sophistication designed to elevate every moment. As for the sizes and details, the width of the handbag is 28 centimeters, the height is 25 centimeters, and then the depth is 7 centimeters. So as you can see, it only has a single handle and a detachable shoulder strap. So let me show you so you can detach it like so. It's a round ring. I don't know if you're able to see. Wait just a second, it's easier like this, like that. See, you can detach it like so. The handle drop is 27 centimeters, but with the shoulder strap it's 115 centimeters long. There you have it. It has a gold metal hardware, as you can see, and then it has a synthetic lining, one zip pocket, as you can see inside, and then a zip closure like so. So it closes quite well, and it weighs, without anything inside, it weighs 700 grams. The material is in genuine leather, and you have a warranty of 2 years, which is very great. This handbag was handmade in Florence, Italy. Concerning the leather itself, so the leather is carefully selected from a premium Italian calf leather, which is renowned for its exceptional smoothness, durability, and refined elegance. And each handbag and leather accessory was meticulously handcrafted by the skilled artisans. They offer a 24-month guarantee and a lifetime repairs service. So that ensures that their product stands the test of time and they stay out of landfill. So for any repair request whatsoever, feel free to contact their support team. The email is mentioned in their website. As for the shipping and returns, so just to let you know that all orders shipping to the EU countries, the US, Canada, Switzerland, UK, Russia, Japan, UAE, Australia, Singapore, as well as Hong Kong, they will all be delivered free of any import fee. No duties, customs, or VAT costs will have to be paid on delivery. The brand will take care of them. So if your country, unfortunately, isn't on that list, they are subject to eventual import fees. The payment of this import fees is the responsibility of the customer. As for the US and the EU, free shipping and a 90 days return on all orders, and then the rest of the world, the shipping calculated at checkout and 90 days return as well. So a quick disclaimer before I give you my thoughts about the handbag. Like I've mentioned at the beginning of the video, this handbag was generously gifted to me by the brand. They actually contacted me through my Instagram account where they asked me if I'll be interested to check out their brand and choose a handbag and try it and give my thoughts about it. So what I did was I first checked out their website and I looked up about the story of the brand, which afterwards, once I have accepted it, I chose a handbag from their collection, and like I have shown you, I picked up the Obolo bag. And once I have picked up the Obolo bag, I think the shipping was quite fast. I think within a week I have received the handbag itself. I'm going to give you the reasons why I have opted for this handbag, and then I'm going to give you the pros, and then afterwards I'm going to give you the cons as well when I have received it and then once I have used it. So first and foremost, the reason why I have opted for this specific handbag out of their different handbags in the collection. I have opted for this one mainly because this handbag, I'll be honest with you guys, reminded me of the Prada handbag as well as the Celine handbag, and I think if I'm not mistaken, Louis Vuitton also has this kind of shape handbag, and even Gucci. So those four luxury brands has this kind of like, you know, reminiscent silhouette. So I was like, okay, it reminded me of those 4 luxury brands. So that's already a tick box for me. And then secondly, I have opted for this specific handbag because I don't have this kind of silhouette in my collection. So this was really a good opportunity to try this kind of handbag. And then thirdly, I have opted for this handbag as well because, like I've mentioned earlier, I can change the handles. I can, you know, wear it with a short handle, and if I want it to be a mom bag, I just have to put the long strap here and I can wear it as a crossbody bag. So those are the reasons why I have opted for this handbag. And then I have opted for this color because it does exist in different colors. I wanted the black one because I wanted to be the most versatile one out of the bunch, because I know that with the black one I can easily wear it with casual wear as well as in a classic wear, and I can also use it every season of the year. So yeah, I went on the, let's say, the safe route. So that's why I have opted for the color black. So now I'm just going to give you all the pros about the handbag. So I'm going to start off by when I have received it, and then once I have used it. So when I received it, like I've mentioned, the shipping was very fast, so I'm very happy with that. And then once I have opened the box itself, I checked, of course, all the details concerning the stitches, concerning the glazing, and the magnetic as well. And most importantly, the zipper, as you can see in here. It's flawless, right? I love all of those details. I think the handbag itself was, you know, nicely done. The finishing and the simplicity and the minimalism as well, because you only have the logo there, which is very, you know, subtle. It does pop up because it's against a black, gold against black. But apart from that, for me, I love it because it also reminds me of the gold hardware. So upon receiving it, I was already satisfied, as well as for the long strap, as you can see. Then upon using it, I have used it with the long strap as well as with the short strap. But to be honest, I mostly 80% of the time have used this handbag with the short strap, as you can see, like so, because it's very easy to use, easy to handle. So that's why I have used it mainly most of the time with the short handle. And what I like about that is I can, you know, put my shoulder on it, so for protection as well. I love that idea. And I also like the fact that it has a magnetic closure, so it's very easy to open and to close. And the most important thing is it has zipper, and I can put my stuff in here without any problem at all. I know that it will be secured. So all in all, with the handbag itself, I really love it. It's very easy to use. It doesn't slide fast. I mean, on my shoulder. I have been able to use it during summer, spring as well, because I have the handbag for quite a while now, so I have been able to really use it. As for the wear and tear, as you can see, no wearing, no tearing as for now. Of course, as always, I don't hammer my bags. I'm quite gentle with them as well, so that's why it has this kind of wear. And as you can see, it's soft leather. It can have scratches, I think, but up until now, there aren't any scratches or whatsoever. So yeah, all in all, I love the handbag. I love how it feels, how it goes well with my outfits and everything. So yeah. And now, of course, we cannot always have just pros. There are some cons as well, because it's very objective from one person to another. So to be honest, I only have 2 cons. The first con that I have is the fact that I don't know if you'll be able, but I'm very picky about it. But of course, for me, it's a con. I don't know if you'll be able to see in here, but can you see here? There is a little bump at the back here. I think it's the leather itself. Yeah, there you go. So there was the bump there, and I was like, oh, bummer, it has a bump at the back. I've checked out the inside, no, but so I think it's the finishing of the leather, I don't know. But fortunately, it's at the back, so it was okay. It's good. But yeah, still, for me, it's still a slight con, to be honest. But apart from that, it's okay. And then the second con for me, though, is the fact that even though I do love the zipper part, as you can see in here, it is just that sometimes with the zipper, it's not that easy to put, I mean, fast enough to put stuff and take it off very fast. So what I do sometimes is that I just leave the zipper open and then I just close this part and I wear it like so. But I tend to be more careful because I'm just afraid that some of my items might fell up on the side. But yeah, but that is me, because I'm just, you know, sometimes very lazy, so I don't close it. But when I know that I won't be opening or closing my handbag, in that case, I close the zipper and then that's it. The only thing also is afterwards, what I have to double check is after a few months of use, I don't know if this part, you know, will have some wearing. I have to check out on that. So maybe in the future I'll make another review about the handbag after using it for a few months, more than at least for a year. Those are just the two cons that I have. Oh yeah, maybe a third one, but this one I was really picky. I actually did an unboxing of the handbag. I'm going to put the card just right there, as well as the link down below so you can check it out. When I have unboxed it, I didn't receive a dust bag, which was quite weird because when I checked out the other unboxing on Instagram, they all received the dust bag. So yeah, but apart from that, it's just a dust bag anyways, because as you can see where I actually put this in here, I don't put them in the dust bag. So that's dust bag, mainly I use it when I travel and I have to put it in the luggage. But apart from that, I'm very happy with the handbag itself, to be honest. Very versatile, very easy to use, and very minimalist. So if I have to give my final opinion about the handbag, I think that this brand is thinking about the consumers, because it kind of like the minimalism and the low luxury, I can say it, the low branding. And if that's the case, this brand really ticks those boxes. And also the price tag. For me, the price that they put on the website concurs with the craftsmanship of the handbag itself. So yeah, like I've mentioned, if ever you'll be interested with a handbag from this brand, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to put them in the comment section down below. And I also have, like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I have received discount codes for the brand. So if you're interested in one of their handbags, I have a discount code of 10%, so you can have a 10% on your order. So there you go, guys. That was my review of my Obolo bag from Le Parmentier Paris. If you have any questions about the brand or the bag, don't hesitate to put them in the comment section down below, and I'll be happy to answer them if I can. If you also have enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, as it will really help the algorithms of my channel. And for those of you who are, you know, enjoying the contents of my channel but aren't subscribed yet, feel free to click that subscribe button. It's free, as well as the notification bell. That way you won't miss any of my future videos. And lastly, I would like to thank all of you for always tuning in and for keeping up with me. So yeah, I hope to see you also on my next video. So until then, take care. Bye.